In continuation to DCI, as we realize, drainage suffer when unburnt coke finds cog the dead man. Dust recirculation also block pathway. Reduce coke fine generation and optimize gas flow to prevent fines carryover is one of the way out. Increasing pallet or center ratio and improving burden distribution are essential strategy for smoother flow. Now coming to a Deadman permeability issue in which a long metal residence time means a high actual carbon content and clogged drainage, which is quite obvious when permeability of Deadman choke, then retention time increases and in the process metal pick up more carbon. Increasing tapping frequency minimizes metal pooling may be one of the reliever tool in this anomalous situation. Also, proper tap hole opening practices like proper drilling, or we can say robotic drilling, mechanized drilling, can significantly enhance drainage uniformity. Coming to the carbon pickup from metal, we can say that the excess PCI weaken the raceway stability and increases coke fines. High hydrogen or methane injection further degrade coke on a higher scale. Maintain PCI between 160 180 and monitor raceway depth. This may be one of the good tool while undergoing such type of DCI issues. Use strong coke with CSR above 60 plus minimum and CRI below 25 to maintain health integrity. Coming to the raceway and coke stability issue, we can say that the hearth erosion result in uneven tapping and fluctuating temperatures. Elephant foot formations create unstable deadman shapes and hinder drainage. Combat with these wear resistance, carbon bricks, and optimal slag chemistry. Also, control metal elephant superheat and avoid the alkali attack to prevent skull formation. Operators best practices, then what? So let us sum up one by one. So the first of and the topmost factor is to maintain slag viscosity and alumina levels for good separation. This is one of the biggest enabler. The other factors are also important and one of them is reduce fines through a smarter burden descent and strong coke. The next and the most important one is stick to a strict tapping routine, and this casting management tool helps in coming out of bad permeability in hearth issues very quickly. Fine tune PCI and or any hydrogen based fuel injection for raceway stability. So we need to see that what is the best situation to what to put on what sort of quantity. So this is very important to decide. And the most important is to monitor health wear carefully to prevent skull formation and maintain clean deadman drainage. So we can say conclusions sum up all these important aspects at a one place in this slide, and I think whenever we counter across such DCA issue, we need to follow these enablers and act.